Banana cinnamon tea recipe for deep sleep. This recipe is better than sleeping pills. Our minds are curious parts of our bodies and do everything possible to prevent us from having a good night's sleep. When all our tiredness is put into bed, our minds are our biggest enemies. They don't ever close their mouths. Sleepless nights most often occur when we are exhausted after a busy working day or even after an ordinary day with little physical activity. It seems there is little or nothing we could do to save ourselves from staring at the empty ceiling for the following night. We usually wind up making to-do lists for the next day, month, or year and greet the dawn after a few hours of suffering. How much can we do to help ourselves? We all have tried counting sheep, but didn't help. Not getting a good night's sleep can seriously damage our body system and stop it from functioning normally. One of the consequences is getting insomnia, which is basically the result of great stress or anxiety, or deep depression issues we are probably unaware of. Having insomnia keeps you awake and active, so your mind keeps itself busy and thinks about the next day, about work, relationships and many other things. Not only do internal factors, such as depression, stress or anxiety, distort your sleeping routine, but external factors also have a big influence as well. Some people have a serious dependence on medications such as sleeping pills or chronic pain medications for blood pressure or heart problems. Being dependent on these pain relievers causes people to feel sleepy at first, but with high dosage and continuous usage, they are the major cause of insomnia and disturbed sleep at night. Along with the above-mentioned medications, electronic devices with harmful electromagnetic waves, as well as noise or light can keep us awake at night and disturb us physically and mentally. Lack of sleep creates impaired cognitive function of the body, energy deficiency and declination of the motor skills. Although we sometimes think there is no harm in reducing our sleeping hours every once in a while, it also triggers many diseases such as diabetes, obesity and even cancer. No matter which of these factors contribute to your lack of sleep at night, there is one simple way to stop you from over-drinking coffee the next morning and wake up refreshed and ready for work. This tea will help you out. Why bananas and cinnamon? Bananas have their well-known benefits and they are particularly consumed for their good taste. Surprisingly, they contain magnesium and potassium in high amount in their peel more than in the fruit. This is what most people don't know when they throw away the peel in the garbage. Knowing this, we can also add the benefits of consuming potassium and magnesium from the banana peel. Research has shown that these elements make wonders to the nervous system as well as the muscles. Magnesium is an old mineral used as a remedy for relieving muscles pain and cramps, and it boosts relaxation. What happens when people don't get enough sleep is reducing magnesium in the body, which then triggers stress hormones and anxiety. Apart from the distinct smell and taste, cinnamon helps you with putting your blood sugar level in balance. This allows for hormonal balance and better sleep at night because of the energy balance. People with distorted blood sugar levels often feel tired throughout the day, while having problems sleeping at night. How to make banana tea? It is important to remember that you will need organic bananas for this recipe before you start to prepare it. This is crucial because other banana peels might contain damaging pesticides causing damage to your body. Ingredients: a dash of cinnamon, at your own taste. 1 small-sized pot of water. 1 organic banana. It takes approximately 10 minutes of your day to make this wondrous tea. Steps: cut the ends of the organic banana and throw them away. Put it to boil, do not take out the peel, for about 10 minutes. Serve your tea with a sprinkle of cinnamon at your taste. Enjoy your tea before bed. In fact, drinking the tea before going to bed is the best solution if you want to have a good night's sleep. If you feel a little peckish, you might eat the boiled banana with a little bit of cinnamon as it tastes delicious. Sleeping pills are bad for you. They may help you a little bit on short term, but they permanently damage your nervous system. Thousands of people are taking them like candies, and it should seriously concern us, so that we don't fall in the trap and get addicted. Studies made in the US show that almost half of the American population has deprived sleep and insomnia, so they rely on sleeping pills. The truth being said, these drugs including barbiturates, benzodiazepines, Valium, Xanax, Ativan and Librium, and other sedatives are addictive, as is every type of drug. Beside their addictive abilities, they are most likely to cause various diseases or health conditions including heartburn, dizziness, weakness, stomach pain, constipation, headaches, parasomnias. This is a hard one, a condition when you act without realizing it. Being difficult to remember things and focus. Slowing down the breathing process, which is dangerous when you have lungs issues. When we are aware of this information, we wouldn't want to give our money on drugs that cause more damage to our bodies. We are sure that we want the natural and easy way to solve this problem. Banana cinnamon tea is a natural, tasty, cheap and warm pleasure to have every night, and it will help us in the long term. Start this very evening and say goodbye to the sleepless nights you had in the past. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.